Hello everyone. Really energized after an extremely good roundtable conversation with about 20 plus women who are women in tech across the industry doing fairly diverse roles. We had a few things we wanted to run with. The first one we kicked off was on some of the cutting edge technologies and what we will see as disruption in the coming years. Obviously Gen AI, cybersecurity and a few thematics came, 5G and IoT and so on got discussed. We then switched gears to talk about how many of these women have had their own personal career journeys riding the wave of some of the technology disruption that we have seen in the last couple of decades. And interestingly, while some of them did bring in the specific tech, whether it was big data or analytics or whatever, that where they really had that kind of exponential growth. The interesting part was that it was more about change in mindset. It was about having a level playing field. So there were a lot of these non-tech aspects that came as a guiding principle of how they made most of some of those technology disruption stages. Then we kind of switched to a more open conversation around different thematics. For example, this role of mentors, how your leaders have supported you in your journey, the different organizations and their commitment to diversity. But I think the three takeaways I had from that conversation was, I think first and foremost, just the common energy to pay it forward. The second, which was more around the importance of a sponsor. So there was some good discussion ranging from how somebody has leveraged a sponsor well to just a question of what is the difference between a sponsor and a mentor. And the third, which was on how this community can stay in touch and really come together to drive a lot more for the larger community. So I really look forward to being connected with this entire team and for us to drive some of these thematics that we learned together today forward. So really looking forward to that. Thank you so much.